Hello Sagittarius, welcome back to my channel. This is Lady of the Throne and I am here with your April 1st through the 15th love guidance and special messages from the angels. I am here to help you guys understand what is going on in your love connection. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and hit that thumbs up button if you like or resonate. If you're returning, welcome back. Also, guys, keep in mind that these readings and videos are for those of you who just want to listen and you don't have much time to watch a video. Pop in your earphones and just sit back and relax. Just listen. We're going to go through two things in this. We're going to look at the feelings between you and this person you're interested in. How you feel, how they feel, and how you view each other. How do you really see one another? Now, in this reading, it's not going to really solve your problem. It's not really designed to go into the outcome and things like that. But I do have extended readings available. The link is down below for that. And in the extended, that's where we go deeper. That's when we reveal some secrets. That's when things are more clear for you. And that way you'll know, like, okay, what does this person want? And then you'll find out. All right. So Saggies, let's jump right in. How do you feel about this person? Okay, some of you are going broke and because you're trying to impress this person or take them on nice dates. Okay, so especially if you're male and you're taking this person out and you're just like spending, or maybe it's not that you're spending money on this person. You could be trying to court people, multiple people for some of you. Or maybe if it's not that, then you're just spending a lot of money on different things right now. You have things to do, okay? Nowadays, you could be interested in other types of women or men, okay? That's another thing. So definitely a lot of you are spending money on other people because this is what you're into right now. But like I said, it doesn't have to be that. I could be just picking that up for one person. The other thousands of Sagittarians may just be having to do things, okay? But I do sense that you guys are exploring options because maybe you guys are single or maybe wanting to be for some. Now, I do pick up something about a power struggle with a friend, a family member, a co-worker, or a lover here. And this could be coming up because someone is like a little tattletale around you at home. It seems like I don't know why I'm getting this, but I'm getting Honey Hat Shrunk the Kids. Who shrunk the kids? For some reason I'm getting that for some reason I get this Sagittarius who's like a Rick Moranis from Honey, I Shrunk the Kids, and you zap the kids and somebody told on you to your husband, right? Or your wife or your boyfriend, your girlfriend, whoever it is that you're living with, or your parents. You could be young, but you're getting in trouble for shrinking the kids, that kind of thing. Or I don't know, it's kind of funny. I don't know, if for some of you it's really funny. It may turn out to be a joke, whatever it is that someone's telling on you for. Or it could be maybe like another type of situation where someone ran their mouth about something you told them not to say, or let me use something for an example. Say, for instance, you're at work, right? And your coworker tells you, oh, don't do that because if the boss sees you, he or she's not going to like that. And you're like, whatever, I'm doing it anyway. The boss is never around anyway. The boss doesn't work anyway. We work harder than the boss, like that type of thing. And then you do it, and then it's going to probably come out. So I think that somebody close to you could warn you about doing something, and I don't think you guys are going to listen. I don't know. I'm getting something like that, but it may be something funny just because the humor and the comedy of it all came out. So it could be something cute, like something, maybe your child, I don't know, maybe your child sees you doing something. They see you eating all the Cheerios and you drink all the milk and you try to act like it wasn't you. And then and then your spouse wakes up and they're like, now who drank all the milk? And before you try to play it off and you pretend like you're just in your own little world reading the newspaper, and the baby's like pointing like, mom or dad, it wasn't me, it was and so you get in trouble. So I'm getting, but it seems cute, but I don't know, it may not be, it may be actually really ugly for some people, it may be serious. Okay, but just keep that in mind. Now, your person of interest, another thing I'm getting is that you guys have a very positive energy for the first 2 weeks in April. It seems very lighthearted for some of you, okay? Because the energy I feel is like more uplifting than the other signs. It's like I finally made it through the other ones, and now you guys have beautiful energy, okay? All right, so your person of interest, how they feel. They feel like you're not being so open with them about something, or you're not telling them the truth about something. See, where are the kids? You shrunk the kids, Sagittarius. Why aren't you telling them where the kids are? So it's like that kind of thing. Like you're just this scientist, and it's so cool, and you've set up some stuff in your home, and you made a mistake, and like now the kids are so little now. It's like that kind of thing. It's so funny. It really is. I don't know why I keep getting that as an example. I never get funny, well, I'm not going to say never, I rarely get funny things as an example for something like this. But I don't know, it could be something funny, it could be something cute, but if not, then it's something serious. And maybe I'm meant to make humor of it so that you won't take it so hard whenever it happens, I guess. I don't know. Moving along. Your person feels like it's time for them to remember who they really are, who they are. Your person is stepping into some type of new energy where they're like, I know myself now. I want to be myself now. I don't want to put on a facade for other people. I don't want to strive for perfection, even though the way you're going to see them, you're going to be like, yeah, you're striving for perfection. You're trying to be perfect, but okay, like you may be dating someone who, say for instance, if you're a male Sagittarius, you could be dating someone who gets a chip on their fingernail and they are freaking out, and they're just like, I don't know, just really, really upset about it. And you're just like, yeah, you're being perfect, a little too perfect. Things in life happen. Just go and get the nail fixed, that kind of thing. Okay, but this person is going to be striving for perfection even though they're not trying. They're going to tell you that they're not, but they can't help it. It's a part of their nature, I feel. This is also someone who could be renegotiating contracts or business deals at this time, or just handling business. This person that you are interested in dating, or that you are dating, a lover, someone that you're dealing with here. Okay, this person seems to be more mature at this time, very focused on what they're focused on. Okay, this person looks at you as some type of work crush, or like, because for some of you, this is someone who works with you and they've got this crush on you. This is like a new person in your work environment. They could be just now starting to work with you, or about to start working with you the first 2 weeks in April. I don't know. It seems like a new work crush. Or if not, then this person is all about work, but they're crushing on you. Even if they don't work with you, they're a crush, okay? So this person could be doing a lot of walking or working out as well. I see this person in the gym a lot. They could be getting their body toned up. I'm seeing that this person already has a nice body, male or female, but this person feels like they have to shape up or improve themselves at this time. So they are like working out. I'm getting salads with croutons. I'm seeing a whole lot of salads, croutons, maybe even sesame seeds in the salads. They're eating mandarin oranges, avocado, ranch. Wow, I think I'm hungry. I think I'm hungry. I think that's what it is. Or I literally, really, I'm serious. This person's into salad, all right? I bet this person likes salad, or they're trying to diet or work out or get healthy, okay? I bet this person's into that, because I'm getting that, okay? Now, let's look at the point of view. Saggies, how are you seeing them? Wow, you see them tied up with work. You know that they're a hard worker. You definitely see them working and doing their thing. So they are focused on that. I think you also see them being focused on home. So if you live with this person, then they're probably at home more often now. Probably doing things around the home or working on the home. Something like that could be. But this person, the way you see them is that this person's very creative. And not only are they creative, but they have a lot of creative concepts and ideas. So they're I think that they're multi-talented, or whatever it is that they're being creative with. You're starting to notice how talented that they are in what they're doing. Okay, you see this person as being empowered. They're empowered to help other people, and you see them as some type of leader. That's the way you see them. Like, they may be a supervisor at your job, a manager. They could be, if not, then this is a person who, if you don't work with them, then they still may have a leadership role in their life, and this is just someone you're dating. But you see them living their life and building the world around them according to their deep values and according to their guidance. Okay, you also see them as highly influential, being able to influence a mass amount of people with the kind of creativity they have, the kind of empowerment that they possess. This person is empowered to do the creative things in their life because they know they're of influence, and people naturally are drawn to the kind of work that they do because they have really deep values about life. Okay, so you see that this person has a personal responsibility to act and take steps to build the foundation of a beautiful life for themselves. So you do see that this person is, on a personal level, you see them really personally wanting to live the life of their dreams. You see this person is so innocent in their expressions. You know that they're innocent in their expressions. They're innocent in, you know, what it is that they're doing in their work, or what it is that they're doing in life. This is someone who, you know, just wants to be free and live a beautiful, good life. Like, that's literally all they're doing. This person's literally making an honest living by empowering other people, helping other people, and also being creative. And that's all they want to do. That's all they want to do. And there's nothing wrong with that. And you're seeing that in this person. You see their work ethic is like sharp. They have a good work ethic. Okay, this person, you may also see this person around children or dealing with children. They could be someone who may be creating a home or decorating you guys' home together, or, spending more time with your kids if that's the case. They're being cooperative. They are, just really showing up. All right. Some of you may see that. Others of you, this is a person who may want children, work with children, or they may work in real estate, or they want to buy a home. They could be moving in with you, or they may have a nice home on their own, something like that. Okay. Also, this person is connected to the tree of life. Wow. So some of you are dealing with someone who is connected to Egypt. This is someone who is, who's connected to Egypt. Or this is someone who, if not, then this person has a lot of wisdom, because trees represent wisdom. Okay, because so this person is an old soul. They have a lot of wisdom. They're very smart. They know what they're talking about. They're very wise, and their life is abundant. Just them being who they are, they have a lot of love to give to people, and you see that in this person. You see what they do. Okay. This person also you see as someone who has a new consciousness, like their life is fully awakened. Like they've become awakened to, I think, their personal, their purpose, their life purpose. Like they know what their life purpose is. This is not a lost soul or someone who's just roaming around. They know what they're here to do, and that's create beauty in the world. This is someone who you admire. You admire their work. Something about their work or their work ethic you really admire. Okay. I'm also getting that this is someone who works with multiple angels or deities or spiritual guides or ancestors or like archangels. This is someone who's connected to spirituality, and they have a lot of angelic protection around them too. This person is really graceful, very graceful. That's how you see them, okay? Now, your person of interest, how do they see you? Okay, this person sees you as a creator too. So you could be an artist, musician, or a builder or architect. You may do some type of work dealing with houses. I keep getting houses and homes. So you could do something like that. You could be a designer, or you do some type of work in fine arts or fine crafts. Also, you're spiritual. You have a level of consciousness, like you're woke, basically. Like you're not really a spiritualist, and you're not really a reader, I don't think, or someone who is deep into certain things, but you have a level of woke, basically. So that's how they see you. Yeah, they see you as a spiritual person overall, and because they see you like this, they know that the changes you're about to go through in your life, since you know them or since they've been in your life, they know that you're about to experience some spiritual transformations because they're there, or because you know them, or because you're interested in them. They know that they're going to bring powerful change into your life. They see themselves as a benefit to you spiritually. It's like you can have a breakthrough in the way you think. You'll have a breakthrough in the way you think by, like being around this person. That's how they see you. Like they see things changing in you because you met them. Okay. They also see that a lot of unexpected and shocking events can take place in your life, or about to take place in your life, because they're in your life. Like they know why they came into your life, or they know why they encountered you. They know why you met, to change you. And I know that us or Sagittarius doesn't like to really hear that, but it's the truth. It's the truth, no matter if you want to hear it or not. This is someone who's in your life who's about to change you. So the next 2 weeks, they're about to totally change your mind about a lot of things. Your mind's going to be rearranged, and you're no longer going to be thinking the same way you thought before by the end of the next 2 weeks, because what you're doing here, you're going to be purging all the old desires and grudges that you had on this person. You're not going to feel the grudges you had on this person anymore. And you're not going to feel what you feel, basically, by the end of it all. You're going to also release yourself from personality attachments that you used to have, because you're going to realize that, wow, this person is really just trying to make an honest living. Okay? Like they're really just doing the best that they can in life, and they're trying to make things work. And so I think you're going to start realizing that, Sagittarius, and this person is going to notice that. They're going to notice the change in you. They're going to notice that you're going to make some things and decisions that's not like you, because you're changing. Your mindset is totally changing now. You could becoming more spiritual now. Yeah, this is positive. I'm glad you like it. Give it a thumbs up. Thank you, guys. God bless.